Give me 1 minute, Hector. We're streaming live on Yahoo Instant Messenger, but we're not shooting video. Tonight we're shooting video for YouTube at the Parrot Pub, Spring, Houston, Texas. I don't know. Crooked Dog Roulette, here we go. This is a love song. I wrote this on the way back from Nashville, Tennessee. Oh, it seems to me the whole world's gone crazy. There's too much hate and killing going on. But when I see the bare chest of a woman, my worries and problems are all gone. No one thinks of fighting when they see a topless girl. Maybe if you would show yours too, we could save the world. Show them to me. Show them to me. Unclasp your bra and set them puppies free. Show them to me. Show them to me. If you got 2 fun bags, show them to me. I don't care if they don't match or one's bigger than the other. You can show me one and I'll imagine the other. Even if you're really old, then there's nothing wrong. Don't be so sad, your boobs ain't bad, they're just a little long. Show them to me. Show them to me. Lift up your shirt and let the whole world see. Show them to me. Show your globes, a happy man I'll be. If you got those chi-chis, show them to me. But never one I hated. If you have 13 kids and you think they look deflated, there's no such thing as bad breath. I believe this much is true. If you're a big fat man, I'm a booty fan, I'd like to see yours too. Show them to me. Show them to me. Just like Girls Gone Wild on TV, show them to me. Lean back, show me your rack and I'll be in ecstasy. If you got those casapas, show them to me. Woo! Hi, Mom. I get paid to do this. We got all kind of booby fans in the house. I like your t-shirt. I like that. Boobies just make me smile. I said if you love your country, I'll say it one more time, if you love your country, then stand up and show them big old boobies to me.